welcome to Design. My name is Maria. As we're so close to Halloween, I decided to make some costumes out of what I have in my closet. Let's just get started. I'm so excited that the Halloween is coming. I always love dress-up parties, but I never get invited. Nobody makes costume parties unless I make them. Halloween gives me this awesome opportunity to dress up as whatever I want, and that is awesome. But the majority of costumes out there are super, I want to say skanky and like just not enough clothing to be warm in almost winter. Especially more northern areas understand me. You can only like maybe wear it to a club, but then you'll get sick for sure. I have decided to figure out some more warmer outfit ideas, except probably for one, but that's okay. And that's the exact one that I'm gonna start the video as. Do I remind you of anybody? What if I have guns? No? No? Well, I was supposed to be Lara Croft. And here is the costume. So Lara Croft from the Tomb Raider that was played by Angelina Jolie back in the day. I've tried to kind of recreate it. Yes, I do have the hair for it, so maybe that was a little bit easier for me than somebody else. But you can achieve this look so easily. Just braid your hair in a French braid manner. She has some strings of hair just like this. Yes, I had to pull them up. Even I cut it a little bit because they were like way too long. A little tank top. She has more of like a thicker straps and like covering at the top, but I'm pretty sure you can get away with a lower cleavage as well. And a pair of shorts. It can be high rise, lower rise, but they need to be more of that kind of a sporty, you know, like a camper kind of shorts. And I've actually made those little rubber bands that look like holsters for the guns, but not really. And combat boots, maybe a pair of like longer socks. That's it. But make sure if you are deciding to bring the guns with you that they don't look as realistic as possible, because police can actually confiscate those items that look too dangerous and never give them back to you. I don't have anything like that, so here we are. Maybe another detail that you could add to this costume is having like maybe a map. I don't know, maybe what else could she have? A whip? No, that's too much of an Indiana Jones kind of vibe. And I think it's pretty good. Yeah. All right, next costume over is sailor, or in this case a drunken sailor. Alright, so I have this white and blue striped shirt, and I've just decided to go ahead, put on some white pants, some white combat boots, a really long coat, the kind of like a trench coat but not really, and I've actually made myself a little sailor hat. So that was the only thing that was not part of my everyday kind of what I wear. I just got a mug and pretended that it was full of beer. Here we go. This is a really cool outfit. I actually also drawn some tattoos on my hands, and I feel like it's a really nice warm outfit that anybody could pull off. Actually, I have also put a little bruise on my eye just for fun. I don't know why, but I feel like sailors, they always get into fights and always have bruises. Next one over would be the cowboy look. So once again, this can be made really, really warm and cozy, and as long as you have a flannel shirt, maybe a pair of jeans, a really nice big buckle of some sort, cowboy hat. If you don't have a cowboy hat, that's okay. If you're a lady, you could maybe make two like little ponytails or two little braids. I think that would be cowgirl enough. Maybe some cowboy boots. If not cowboy boots, maybe like a chunkier boot that's a little bit higher. Just a little signature to make it more realistic, maybe like a rope of some sort. A lasso, you know. If you're enjoying this content so far, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. Thanks. Alright, so the next outfit over would be a gypsy or a fortune teller. So yes, I have this little plaque of palm reading kind of a situation. You don't need to have that, as long as, like, I feel like Halloween costumes are the best when you're acting the part. So for instance, if you're dressed as a drunken somebody and you're not acting drunk, you're kind of like, what are you? What are you? For this, you need all the jewelry you can find, layer multiple bracelets, all the rings that you have, put them on your fingers, all of the necklaces you have, the longer the better, like different layering, short ones, long ones, does not matter. I had a lot of shawls involved in this. I put one on my head, I had one on my shoulders, I had one on my skirt. Really, really long skirts that are really flowy are amazing, and it doesn't really matter what kind of shoe you have as long as it's not crazy out there. But I just had a chunky boot, so it can be made really warm, and that's awesome. Awesome. And as I said, you can always just act the part, do some makeup, maybe, I don't know, if you want to be more older or younger, some crazy earrings. Yes, yes. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I've actually had this outfit in my previous video where I tried to recreate the Gucci looks from fall winter 2020-2021. If you haven't seen that video, you can check that link right here, right now. It's the Pilgrim look. Or which way am I showing? I feel like it belongs there. And if you have like a little turkey, like a thing, maybe it's a toy of some sort, just bring a turkey around with you. I think it's so cool and funny, and yes, I love it. So for this, I just need a black outfit, maybe a dress, and with white accents. So I actually cut up a table napkin to make this square kind of a color. I had my hat, I didn't really have a pilgrim hat, but I just slanted my black hat over. I'm guessing if you're a lady, you could wear some like a white something on your head, right? Because ladies had to cover their hair back then. White socks to the knee and black shoes. Basically, you need to have white like ends, like maybe white gloves too, so that's awesome. If your costume requires gloves and it's cold outside, it's perfect. All right, so the next costume would be the "We Can Do It" lady poster. This is the poster that was made during World War II, which was actually not quite as popular as you might think. It only gained its popularity in the 1980s. We see this image everywhere, and it's so easy to implement it into a costume if you're a lady. What did I do? Just basically makeup and hair, and yeah. So what you need is a denim shirt. In this case, I actually had a full denim outfit, red lips, maybe a kind of a winged eye, lots of blush, and a red tie around your head, like a bandana of some sort, and just pure muscles. I've also put combat boots just because I feel like she would wear combat boots, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Alright, so the next outfit is the pirate outfit. I know it's really similar to like a gypsy outfit, maybe because of the makeup. What I'm thinking about pirates is that they rob, right? So they have jewelry. So I just kept one earring, had a few chains, not too much, right? A few rings, not too much either, because you need to fight and rings get in the way. Honestly, jewelry gets in the way. I had the headscarf and just some chunky boots and a lovely, lovely coat that was like just fit perfectly into the image. If you want to take it up a notch, you could possibly like carry a bottle of rum or maybe a stuffed parrot on your shoulder, or what else can you have, like a map, or a bottle with a note inside, something nautical like that. Alright, And the last but not least, and I think like everybody's favorite, is the Scarecrow. It is so easy to achieve from what you already have in your closet. You just need a pair of jeans, maybe a pair of flannel shirts. So basically like a cowboy, only more straw. A straw hat. I have this kind of that reminds you of a straw scarf situation going on. And yeah, you can get so warm with that. You can layer a bunch of different coats, and the older the item is the like best, because scarecrows were made out of old clothing that people didn't want to wear anymore. And yeah, okay, all right. Alright you guys, hope this helps you out figure out what you can wear at the last minute for a Halloween party of some sort. Let me know down in the comments below which was your favorite costume. And I hope you have a great Halloween and just stay safe. Or maybe you wear a mask. Oh my gosh, so many costume ideas with masks. Maybe like a hazard thing. But I think it's going to be really popular this year. Alright, hope you have a great day. Stay classy. Bye.